Okay, I see a Jelana. Thank you. There is a person that is listed as an iPhone user. Would you please turn your camera on and identify yourself?
That is me, Alexis Joyner, and I'm actually dropping my daughter off at daycare right now, so my camera can't turn on because Zoom went into phone mode.
Oh, okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is April 13th, 2022. This is an 8:30 civil dispossessory calendar. My name is Brad Gardner. I'm going to be the magistrate judge presiding over these hearings today. The person who's listed as...
see me?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to use this. I'm trying to figure out how to use the Zoom. Okay, I can see me. I don't know. Okay, Judge.
Okay, the person that's listed as 628-633.
Me,
Who is that?
Galana.
I'm sorry, would you tell me your complete name?
Galana White.
Okay.
Is that
So
me?
you have two devices going?
I shouldn't have one. I signed out of my other one, so it should just be the computer.
Okay, so I'm going to remove the 628-633. Sometimes when people have two devices going and they don't have a lot of bandwidth, we can't understand anybody from anywhere. So I'm going to remove that. Okay. So the status of these cases is that the plaintiff has filed, or the landlord has filed for the defendant to be evicted from their home. That process is not taking place yet. That's the reason that we're here today. I am going to call the calendar, and when I call your case, please make an announcement. Some of you may qualify for eviction prevention program. So I see that there are a number of people who are pro se, meaning that it's not an apartment complex, but it's a landlord and a tenant. If you want, I will allow you to have a discussion in a breakout room about participating in the eviction prevention program. And what it basically does is both parties have to agree to be a part of it. And you go through and you fill out the information. And then what happens is that monies are dispersed to the landlord directly. And sometimes that's a benefit to a landlord who, because I see a lot of these cases have been pending for a while, and the landlord may be in a situation where they may want to recover the money. The landlord will have to agree to allow the person to stay in the home while they're participating in the program. So if that's something that anyone feels that they're interested in, just let me know. All right, position number one is Elysian Concepts versus Biani or Banani Norfleet et al.
That's me speaking. Banani Norfleet.
Okay. And is anyone here from Elysian Concepts? Okay, we'll come back to that.
Hey, Mr. Judge, can I say something real?
Ma'am, let me call the calendar. You'll be the first person I come back to after I call the calendar, okay?
Awesome.
Right. Okay, position two, Laurel Point Holdings versus Jelani Level. That's Miss Barksdale's case. She's in another courtroom, so when she comes back, we'll deal with that case. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Position three, River Valley Communities, Hunter Ridge, looks like Mobile Home Park versus Trevally Cage.
Great for plaintiff.
Okay. Is Mr. or Miss Cage here? Okay. Position number 4, River Valley Communities, Hunter Ridge Mobile Home Park versus Juanita Walton.
Ready for plaintiff.
Is Juanita Walton present? Okay, so it looks like you're gonna have a short day over here, Mr. Taylor.
Thank you, Judge.
Position 5, Mara Fang versus Shamika Davis and Carolyn Baker. I don't hear an announcement on that case. Position number 6, Able Property Group, Taliba Coleman versus Victoria Harris.
Aliba's here.
Okay. And is Miss Harris here? Okay.
No.
Ma'am, you have 2 cases that are filed consecutively against Miss Harris. Is this for the same property or separate properties?
It's for the same.
I'm sorry. Are you here, Miss Harris? Okay. Okay.
I can't
Position. I'm sorry, ma'am.
I was gonna say, I can't tell if that's her or not.
Well,
I'm
if
Nora.
she doesn't make an announcement, her case, I mean, it'll go into default. So I can't manage her case for her. Position number 7 is the same 2 parties. I think I saw different. Oh, same filing dates. Position number 8 is also Miss Barksdale case, Legacy Riverdale Apartments versus Alexis Joyner. Miss Joyner is here and Miss Barksdale is here. When Miss Barksdale comes back, Miss Joyner, I'm going to allow you two to speak if that is what the 2 of you want. Position number 9 is Yamasi Company Limited versus Quinn Irby and Tanya Estes.
Elizabeth Cruikshank for the plaintiff.
Okay. Is
Mid
Quinn?
strike appropriate time.
Yes, ma'am. Position 10, Mitch Taylor versus Greg Quarterman.
And she told him that it was fine.
Don't hear an announcement on that case. Position number 11, Rex Mobile Home Park LLC Country Estates Mobile Home versus Saran Edshawn Shepherd.
I'm from Rex, sir.
Okay. And is there a Saran Shepherd? All right. Position 12, also Ms. Barksdale's case is going to be a dismissal. Marbella Place Apartments versus Jasmine Jones. Position 13 is also Ms. Barksdale, Cushman and Wakefield versus Kristen Seals. Is there a Kristen Seals present? Okay. Finally, that's also Ms. Barksdale's case, Elon Management versus Vanessa Tony.
I think he just called it out.
I see someone trying to log on named Vanessa. Okay. I can hear you, ma'am. I need you to turn your camera on.
Okay. Is it on?
Are you Vanessa Taylor?
Tony.
Tony, I'm sorry. Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna give you the opportunity to work with turning your camera on. Because
Okay.
Ms. Barksdale is gonna be in another courtroom, but you're gonna need to turn your camera on.
It's on. I was just
Okay.
having problems.
Okay. So out of, let's see. Barksdale. You're the only person in a position to be placed in a breakout room. So I'll come back to her with respect to that. Mr. Taylor, I'm going to call what first? Is anyone here present from Elysian Concepts LLC versus Benoni Norfleet? Okay. Ma'am, that case is going to be dismissed for warrant of prosecution. You are free to go.
Okay, so do I still live here or what?
Well, for the next 30 days, you do. They
Amen.
you can file dispossessory every 30 days based upon non-payment.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
Yes. Mr. Taylor, I'm going to take Ms. Crookshank first. She only has one case and it's going to be, she's moved to strike the answer.
Good morning,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Good
Thank
morning.
you.
Go ahead, ma'am.
We're asking to strike the motion, strike the answer and a judgment for $25,461.60 plus court costs. And that is rent prorated through today. No rent has been paid since June of last year.
Okay. Now, this has been a matter of discussion about the jurisdictional limit. I know, before you say it, I know that there's a case out there that discusses whether you can go over the jurisdictional limit in a dispossessory. The way that I read that case is that they put two separate code sections together to come up with that. The jurisdictional limit is a jurisdictional limit. To say that, well, in a dispossessory case, I believe the holding was in a dispossessory case because original jurisdiction starts in magistrate court, you can go over. That's what they said, right? If hold on, if there was an appeal, where would the appeal go?
We go to Superior Court. And Your Honor, I'm fine if Your Honor takes position that it's 15,000. I know that every judge honestly is doing it a little bit different. And I could certainly sit here and give you my point as to why I believe it is over the $15,000 limit and that the court really only held that the counterclaims over $15,000, which we used to be able to handle in magistrate court, have to be transferred and that the cases can be bifurcated. That would be my argument. That being said, if Your Honor will only limit it to the 15,000, we will take a judgment for the jurisdictional limit of 15.
Okay, now for the record, you said that how much was the lease for?
The monthly rental amount is $2,100
$2,100.
plus
And the last payment was received on what date?
June 15th. Ours also includes utilities.
Okay. And you're asking for possession of the property in Stanter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And you said June 1st, was that June 21st of 2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to grant your motion to strike the answer. I'm going to issue a money judgment in the amount of $15,000 plus in Stanter possession of the property.
Thank you, Your Honor. Would you like me to submit the order?
Yes, please. Submit it to Miss Mary Mosley, Mary.Moultrie. I'm sorry. Miss Mosley, when Miss Mosley is here, I start Huh?
That's fine, Your Honor. I'll submit it to her. As soon as I get out of court, I have Fulton
Okay.
State at 9. So I appreciate it, Your Honor, and I hope you have a good day.
Okay, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Taylor, let's start with position number 3.
Your Honor, would move to strike and ask for immediate writ judgment through today's date of $6,573.11. That's rent from October 1st through today's date, plus a late fee, a trash fee, a utility charge, and a
Okay.
657311.
Okay, 657
7311.
Okay.
To writ today.
Yes, sir. I will grant your motion to strike the answer, issue a writ of possession in stanter and issue a money judgment for $6,573.11.
That's position 3.
Yes, sir. Now, and what was the lease or rent amount in that case?
The monthly is $999
Okay.
from October the 1st through today's date, April 13th.
Okay. All right, position number 4.
Same announcement, seeking an immediate writ of possession. The number on this one is $5,681.30. That's rent at $849 a month from October the 1st through April the 13th, with a late fee, a trash fee, a water and sewer, 568130.
Okay. I'll grant
Judge,
your
can I
motion.
get that email address for Miss Mosley?
Miss Motry.
Oh,
I
is it
said-
Motry or Mosley?
Well, we have both here today, but Miss Motry is my assistant. So if you send it to her, she'll send it directly to me. I'll sign it and she'll send it over to the clerk's office.
Okay, I've got your email. You want me to send it to her then?
Yes.
And is she gonna post her email at some point?
I think did she post it in the chat? I'll send it to you right now, Mr. Taylor.
Let's see. No, she doesn't have it up. I don't see it.
No, I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Now I'll be excused.
Yes, sir.
I got it right here. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sorry, I just I strike through everything so I can see it. Okay. I'm going to now move to position number 6. We have Ms. Taliba Coleman. Which case are you going to move forward on, ma'am? The 19297 or the 19298?
I think hold on, the 9-8.
Okay. Now, one of the reasons I go first with attorneys so that hopefully the pro se litigants can see what they're supposed to do. So were you paying attention to the lawyers?
Kind of. So the whole reason why I'm here today is to dismiss the case.
You want to dismiss the case?
Yeah, we came to an agreement.
Okay.
I meant to send something out earlier, but the time had got busy, so we came to an agreement.
So just for the record, I'm gonna do a dismissal for both the 19297 and the 19298 case. Now, when you say you came to an agreement, is that a consent agreement, or is that just something that you guys came to an informal understanding?
Yes, informal understanding.
So you're not going to be asking the court to enforce any consent agreements?
Correct.
Okay. Miss Mosley, before I let her go,
Yes.
is there anything she needs to do other than have me do the dismissal?
That's it. That's all. You know, you could do the order. She's good. As
Okay.
long as we have it for both cases.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. I'm gonna have to prepare a judgment and it'll get filed and you'll get a copy in the mail probably sometime in the next 10 days.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Okay. Now we have position number 11. And your name, sir, is Mr. Patel?
Yes, sir. This is Jayesh Patel. Yeah. Rex MHP LLC, Country Estate Mobile Home Park.
I'm sorry, sir.
Country Estate Mobile Home Park. We own the park.
Yes. Okay, so now you filed this action, sir. So
Yes.
I can't do your case for you. Okay.
No, I understand that. So what I'm asking, I'm asking for writ of possession and whatever payment due from tenant. She have not paid in full so far.
Okay. Well, let me do it this way. Are you asking me to strike the answer because Mr. Shepherd didn't appear?
I don't see her here.
Oh, it's a her.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Patel, a judge can't jump on any side and help someone.
Understand that?
So you ask and I respond. If you don't ask,
I want writ of possession.
okay, you want an immediate writ of possession.
Yes.
Okay, I will grant that request. Are you asking for a money judgment?
$1,811.03.
$1,811.03.
Yes, sir.
How much was the rent?
Then $850.
$850. And when was the last time that you received payment?
Last month.
Okay.
She got a rental assistance from the government and still she's behind.
Okay. So is she in the rental assistance program or?
She was, yeah, not now.
Not now. Okay. So $850, how did you get to $1,811.03?
Because it was carried forward. She never paid since check-in, I don't know when she checked in, but it was due like in December, it was due about $4,600. January, it was due about $6,000 and we got money from
hold on. Mr. Patel, did you receive payment after this case was filed?
No.
I'm getting word that you received payment after this case was filed. The case was filed on November 11, 2021.
Correct.
An answer was filed on 11/17/2021.
Correct.
So the way it works, sir,
okay,
is that if you receive payment after a case has been filed,
right,
the case has to be dismissed and you have to refile.
Okay.
Because this process is not for underpayment, it's for non-payment.
Right.
So if it was filed on November 11th of 2021, and you received your last payment last month, the case should have been dismissed when you entered into the eviction prevention program.
Okay, so can we ask her to enroll again into the rental assistance program?
If you want that to happen, the two of you need to discuss that. So you can, my understanding, and correct me if I'm wrong, is that either party can file, but both parties have to agree to participate in the program.
Now, I contacted rental assistance program in Clayton County as well as some private companies, and they say that they are running out of fund.
Okay.
So that's what I'm worried about. And I'm sure she's not going to pay. So do I need to file again and wait for 6 months to get money? I'm sure she's not going to pay any money, even though I file again.
Hold on, sir. Did you go through Clayton County Court, or did you go through some other entity?
There's entity named like Norris and Hart. He went through that entity.
Yeah.
Sure.
I think those are two separate things. So let me ask you this, Mr. Patel.
Yeah.
If there are funds available, you would like to participate in the eviction prevention program again?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Ooh.
I'm ready to help her, no problem, as long as we got, because see, the rent plus we have to pay we have to pay sewer, trash, and water. I'm
Right.
paying from my pocket.
Right. I understand. Okay, are you ready, Mr. Patel?
Yes, I'm ready.
You have a pen?
Yeah.
The application can be found at you can, let's see, relief, RELIEF dot Clayton at Clayton County, Georgia, or ClaytonCountyGA.gov.
Okay, so do you want me to email them and get the application and file the application then?
Hold on, let me take a look at this. I just want to make certain. Go to that website and it has all of the information on it.
Okay,
But I'm gonna have to dismiss.
that is fine.
I'm gonna have to dismiss this. But go to that website. And it has all of the information on it. I don't know how to YouTube pop. Sorry. YouTube pop back up. Okay, so this is gonna be dismissed because Mr. Patel accepted payment after the filing date. And you could be released, Mr. Patel, but my understanding is that there's still money in that fund.
Oh, okay, great. That will be help. Yeah. Yeah, they are good talent. I'm not worried about talent. They are good people, but still we need the money to pay our bills.
Yes. Okay, sir, you're free to go.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice
You're
one.
welcome. Thank you, Miss Mosley.
You're welcome, Judge.
All right, so looks like we have Miss Barksdale's cases. Oh, there you go. So, Miss Barksdale, do you believe that you need to speak to any of the persons that are on this calendar? And I'm just asking before we get started. If the answer is no, we can just go straight down, beginning with number 2, with position 2. Are you, Ms. Barksdale, you still in court with Judge Knights? Oh, you're muted.
I'm with you right now, Judge Gardner. He's holding for my trials.
Okay. So let's just go down, beginning with position 2. We have Miss Jelena Level here.
Okay.
And this is Laurel Point Apartments versus Jelena Level. So
yeah, and I would like to speak with her.
Okay.
I'm here.
Hold on, ma'am. I'm gonna place you in a breakout room so your conversation will be private. Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1, Miss Barksdale. And do you want me to just, when you're done, to just put each person in turn?
How many more I have? How many do I have present, Judge?
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We can dismiss Miss Jones, Jasmine Jones, if she's present.
No, she's not.
Okay. Okay, yes, Judge, if you would send each one over, that would be great.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Miss, I'm opening the rooms now. Miss Jelena, you should see a link. Go into the breakout room to be able to speak to Miss Barksdale.